subscription box, getting better and better every month. I got mine and I've been having so much fun and playing with my subscription box. It gets a lot of ideas. It gives me a lot of ideas to create so many beautiful nail art. And a thin coat, you don't want to do it too thick. You don't want to do it too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So we're going to do one thin coat and a top coat right floating on the top. So condensed glue gel is still wet. It's not clear yet because you want it to adhere your crystal. So you're going to blend the top coat. All right.
Yep, and Emily, we always release the box a month beforehand. So if you have anything going on in August, you will already have the tool and crystal and design everything else. So you'll be ready for August.
Oh, this one I really like that. I want this one to be, yes, so we're like I think 2 weeks ahead. Everybody's seeing it, this one. Oh, here, another my favorite shape. So I'm gonna show you this one. Gorgeous. This is my fave. Where am I? Okay. And I love to place with my glow in the dark kits. And centerpiece first. I always place the centerpiece first. You can see that my beautiful shape that it formed the kits number 1's special exclusive AB kits. There are 2,000 pieces in there plus 2,000 centerpiece. I mean, and then plus that your AB, yours others in there. I'm going to show you where it's located. Even if you are like it, you can get away with this. If you want any beads or frame, absolutely you can able to add them on as well. So I'm going to add some frame on. And now I want to add some beads. Yeah. Hey, have you all, here's a question I asked it for you. Have you all ever like doing a live videos, or just not talking about live video? Okay, let me add some beats on it. And we're talking about, have you ever like in the middle of the progress, which is you doing your clients or something else in things in life, and then you start getting get discouraged, like when things fall apart, like me, my nails upside down and I broke the nails, and then you want like, oh my gosh, it's just not going to cooperate it with you, and you want to give up. Have you ever had that feeling? I have that a lot. I'm going to tell you and how to overcome it. Some of you like, I'm going to get a cup of coffee, or I'm going to get a piece of chocolate, you know. A lot of us have that preference and stuff. And you're like, oh my God, I'm going to give up. You know, if I will give up, if it happened to me, well, it happened to me a lot. So if it happened like that and I give up, guess what? We're never going to have tutorials every day. So it's really easy to think whatever happened in life, in our work and whatever, just like keep going, because it's going to be like that all the time. It's not going to be easy for us, you know. But I really enjoying is the tutorial. That's why it keep me going for so many years. Guess what? By the end it's beautiful because the nails is gorgeous. Doesn't matter the one it's missing. Now it's something dropping, like all my stuff, the paper towels is falling apart. My alcohol is like, it disappears when I need it, you know. So it's a lot of things. Sometimes you're frustrated and you're like doing one of clients and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't finish it. I'm not doing your nails no more. Can't take it. Keep going until you get your clients like pay, because you will not give up, then guess what? The client's not gonna pay you the money you work hard for, you know? Right, Mika?
That's right.
Like, can't give up. Like, okay, if you don't want coffin, then we'll change it stiletto. If you don't want stiletto, but whatever they change, you're gonna be chalked for the additional service. Just kidding. Yeah. But hey, I'm really excited today. Look at the beautiful. I hope you really like it because I really enjoying it. It looks really good in person though.